Oh, bad cough. Hi, Benjamin. Oh, my. Oh, my. Coughing, coughing. Hey, where are you going? Hey, Benjamin. Come here. You want a cracker? Yeah? Here, I'll give you one. Show me how well you can do your steps. Oh, my. Are you choking on some of that apple? Let me see your apple. Crab apple? Yeah. Oh, you put the whole thing in your mouth. Silly. Silly boy. Want a cracker? Oh, you like crackers. You like crackers? Here. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Oh, there he goes. My walker. My little stepper. So big. Sweet thing. Uh-oh. Benjamin, you silly goose. Benjamin. Can you say bye? No. Very nice. Good waving. Can you say Mama? Mommy, give me cracker, he said. You sweet thing. Bye-bye, Benjamin. Bye.